Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8 and let me show you how to set date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select additional settings, and here you'll notice date and time. Smoothly click on it and you can either use automatic date and time or you can switch it off, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also turn off automatic time zone by tapping on this switcher, and then you can select the one that you would like to have. So at first let's pick the region. As you can see, you've got plenty of possibilities here, and then time zone if there is more than one. And finally you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and use 12-hour format clock. So this is it, that would be all. So you can smoothly, quickly and easily change date and time on your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers and now you will have all set up automatically. So this is it, this is how you can change the date and time in your Xiaomi Redmi 8. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.